We're at Ace Hardware. I mentioned in the video the other day I picked up the DeWalt 20-volt cordless blower. It's supposed to come with a 5 amp hour battery and a charger, normally priced at $199. That's what most retailers have it for. But Ace has it for the low price of just $99. The deal should be still going on depending when you're watching this. I'll try to remember to link it down below if you are interested. Now here's the deal. The Ace Hardware page is not the best in the world, and it's supposed to come with the battery and charger, although I guess in theory it possibly might not. The model number says that it should. It's just not shown or talked about in the listing at all. But I'm fairly certain. I'm 99% sure we're going to get all that we expect. So it's a great deal getting that 5 amp hour battery, which is a pretty high value battery, and the charger. I'm hoping the charger is the DCB 115, which is double the amperage of the DCB 112. So it charges faster. Not that I need either. I will be selling it, but it's worth more. I can sell it for more. But we'll go inside, pick it up, open this thing up out in the truck, and make sure we got all the pieces we expected to get. Taking a quick walk around. They have this Lufkin high-vis 25-foot tape measure. For rewards members right now, it's $3.99, listed as a hot buy. One thing I really liked about it, on top in black you have your regular measurement, but then in red at the bottom it's your midpoint. It's cutting everything in half. It really helps with the math on some of the fractions. It's kind of cool. I like that. Man, I'm right by a speaker. That's not going to work out. I'm going to have to talk over this music the whole time so we don't get demonetized. $14.99 for this DeWalt right angle flex shaft. Normally $19.99. It's a really good deal there. Just over Black Friday, I picked up this Milwaukee one because I had the save 50% coupon, so I only paid $11 for it. But for a couple dollars more, I like that one better. I already bought it, so I won't get it. But something to keep an eye on. It's a great idea. Look at this. PVC tower of duct tape. I like it. I don't know if this is every Ace or if this place is just amazing, but they have these glass bottle brand I never heard of, Pops. So I always grab some root beers and try different brands. So we got Lost Trail root beer. It's 2 for $3. And then there's Triple X root beer up there, so we're gonna grab one of those too, but I need my free hand that's holding the phone. That Frosty root beer is really good. Oh, it's really good. Next time, we're trying new ones. Bam! We got it. Now you can see right in the front here, it says it comes with the 5 amp hour battery and the charger, so that is amazing for 99 bucks. But I can't tell by looking on here what model the charger is, so we're going to try and open this up real quick and see how difficult it is to pull the charger out and see what we got. No battery or charger. Let's try the other end. Alright, we're doing business on this end. Let's see what charger do we have. Oh, it's the 115. Thank you, sir. So this is a 4 amp hour, or 4 amp output charger. The DCB 112 is only at 2, and then if you get the DCB 118, the fast charger, that's 8. But this 115 will actually have a little bit of value as far as resale. Yeah, how do I get it back in here? Fool, get back in there. So between selling the 5 amp hour battery and the charger separately, I bet I'll get most of my money back. We've made it to Lowe's. I got a little in-store pickup. I gotta grab, pick it up, bring it out to the truck, open it up, take a look, see. If you've been paying attention, you know what it is. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, shame on you. Bam, there it is. Picked up the Cobalt Impact Grade 19-piece SAE and metric 3/8 drive impact set. So you got a bunch of sockets, a couple extensions, a little adapter. We'll open up and take a look at it, but it was only $15. Either $14.98 or $15.98. Now I'm confused. Maybe it was $15.98. Either way, it's posted on my website. I'll try to remember a link down below. Otherwise, just look up the Lowe's deals, and it'll be on the first page there. But I've just picked up that DeWalt 3/8 drive impact, and I thought, you know what? I'm going to need me a couple more impacts. Awesome. We can get enough light in here. See, all deep wells 3/8 drive. We got 5/16 through 3/4. And then on the metrics, 12, 13, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 8 and 10. With your little extra extensions and stuff. And of course, lifetime guaranteed. So, just a couple little pickups today. Thanks for watching, guys. Give the video a like, subscribe for a nice subscriber. Make sure you're checking out the website every day for the most amazing tool deals. So that's where they're at. That's where you get deals like this. I think the regular price was like $35. I'm just making it up, but I think that's right.